Hello friends, welcome to my class today. The next topic of discussion for in research is scientific method. So the steps in scientific method. So scientific method means so that is whenever we do a research we have to prove it with the help of science. So that is scientific method. So there is a standard way how you have to do the research. Okay, scientific method means it is a standard way of making observations. Making observations means you will identify what topic you want to study. Gathering data means collecting information by any tools like questionnaire, attitude scales, or any checklist, and forming theories. So when you do a study about a particular topic, you will explain about all the words, all the content what you are going to do the study. So that is forming theories and testing predictions. So whenever we do a study, we always have two variables and we see the relationship between the two variables. That is, we predict that there may be relationship. For example, if in case of diabetes mellitus and fenugreek, so we have a prediction that maybe fenugreek can cure diabetes mellitus. So this, by doing the study and by coming to a conclusion, that is interpreting the results, then we can confirm that whether this fenugreek uh, can treat diabetes or not. Okay, so this means scientific method. The researcher make observation in order to describe and measure the behavior. Behavior means what results the test is going to provide. So this is called scientific method. Next, the steps in scientific method. So first is research questions. Research question means the topic or the statement on which we are going to study. Next, making hypothesis. So hypothesis is we are finding the interrelationship between two variables. After hypothesis, we do the experiment. So experiment is where the actual study we carry out by collecting the samples and using certain tools to do the study. Then we will come into a conclusion and then we see whether hypothesis is supported or not supported, and then we will report the results. And if hypothesis is not supported, we have to go back to the research questions. So first research question is an answerable inquiry made to a specific concern or issue. So that means like what topic we are interested and in what area we wanted to study, and what are the questions, unanswered questions are available which we have wanted to answer. So that we have to identify, that is called as research questions. So first step is identifying the research question, and the next step is testing the hypothesis. So testing hypothesis is finding the interrelationship between two or more variables. So variables means anything that can vary. So two things, like in case you have a prediction that fenugreek can cure diabetes mellitus. So this, what relationship is there in fenugreek and diabetes, we have to make a hypothesis whether the relationship is there or not, and later we do an experiment. So do an experiment means it is an empirical procedure that aims to answer the question without expectation about how the particular work process or phenomena works. So it is an empirical procedure means it should be, so the experiment we do should be in a scientific procedure, and we have to the tools which we are using like attitude scale, the observation checklist, everything should be appropriate for the study, and we have to use the study without expectation of the results. Okay, so that means we should not anticipate the results before. If we anticipate, then we do the experiment in a biased way. So without anticipating the results, we have to see how the phenomena or the how the process is working. That is called experiment. Next is drawing conclusion. So once we do experiment, at last with statistical analysis we come to a conclusion. In that we will report our findings of the study. So in this we will see whether the hypothesis is supported or not. If the hypothesis is supported, then we can report our results. So reporting is nothing but in a magazine or in a published article we can publish the research. If the hypothesis is not supported, then again we have to go back to the research question, that is finding some other question, or we have to change the question, and later the all the methods follow, so like a cyclic process. So this is about science steps in scientific method. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching.